The judgment is between Abia State University and the former governor of Abia State, that's Governor Orji Uzor. Just in summary, it's about the cancellation of the certificate awarded the governor by the school upon discovering a certain infraction of the certificate awarded to the governor in the first place. The first one is that he did not complete the mandatory 6 semesters approved by the school. He only did 2 semesters. And the second one being that some of the documents he submitted had one question on the order before the admission was offered to him. So in an attempt to protect the integrity of the school and the credibility of the certificate awarded by the school set up an ad hoc committee panel by the Senate and foraged and analyzed all the documents submitted by Orji Uzor and found that it violated the academic requirement of the school on admission by transfer, and by doing so they withdrew the certificate offered to the governor. And we are deeply excited that once again the law had been espoused and the correct position of the law had been sustained, and we are happy with the judgment of the court today. No, this is not the end of justice for him. He has the right to appeal to the Supreme Court, but we are not perturbed. Most of the cases we cited came from the bowels of the Supreme Court, and most of the cases relied upon by the Court of Appeal are all Supreme Court decisions. So at the Supreme Court, we believe that the Supreme Court will also uphold its decision in Majid case and a long line of cases in that regard that state that the university have the right to protect their image with respect to the current scenario, what happened in Orji Uzor case. So he has a right of appeal. He definitely has the right of appeal, but we are not perturbed, like I said.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.